paper, rock,
Okay, so we start here. Okay,
scissors.
so what we are going to do today? We're going to make a moon rover. Moon rover like this. Okay.
This one?
Yep. So what we have?
We have wheels.
We have the rover parts. So this is our rover parts.
And we have the telescope.
The magnet holder. Okay, where are the magnet holder? Okay, these are the magnet holders.
And the magnets.
Okay, keep the magnets here. Then do we have the tapes? Yeah, we do have.
Daddy, ये दोनों magnets other में क्या magnets में चिपक गया?
So these are the 10. We
Look,
have the poles.
1, 2.
Yeah, we have the poles. Yes, we have the
We have 2 axes.
and wheels. Oh, where are the wheels? Yeah, these are the wheels. And
There, 1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4.
And
So
then
there actually 2 and 1.
okay, then this is the remote body.
Remote body.
Okay. Then we have base plate
This plate.
and then front plate,
Front plate.
front panel. Okay. Now we are going to make like this. Okay. Where are the Excel holders?
Here they are.
Yeah, you got it right. So put all the.
I want to put it also.
Okay.
There's plenty of time to get ready these exodus. Over here.
Now, not there.
Daddy, why do you think they're not required?
Yeah, it's okay. Just stick there.
Daddy, why did these?
Oh, we'll concentrate on that.
Daddy, why do you think they're not
Yeah,
required?
it's okay, it's okay. These things are not required. We don't need all these things. It's okay. Are you done? Show me. Yeah.
Now we can put these things.
Oh, we need to put the axles. Where are the axles?
Axles.
All these ones. Okay. So put like this. You put one.
Okay. I put 1. I want to put also Daddy.
Yes. Wow, that's amazing. Can you put the wheels?
Daddy, why you need wheels?
Yeah, because the rovers will have the wheels. So put one wheels, put all the wheels.
Daddy,
Hmm?
the petrol make the car move smooth.
Are you able to do it?
Okay.
Let me help you.
Then I can do it.
No? Let me help you. I think this requires some effort. So,
No, I can do it.
wait. So this is like this. Yeah. You try here. Yeah, you can try here. Slowly. Push it. And then it's done.
Done.
Yeah.
But no, it need not done.
Okay. Do it. Slowly. Yeah. Yeah, you're done. Then put the other wheels.
Daddy,
Hmm.
why you have puncture tires?
No, we don't have the puncture tire.
And why is
See,
it so spiky?
this is taking the nice shape.
See,
Wow.
Are they can move?
Yeah, it's becoming a good road, man. So let me see. So now we need to put the magnet holder.
Where are they?
This is here. We need to put it like this.
That's why the driver can be on the steering wheel.
Let me see. What's this?
Look at the space rover. And it's bigger than the monster truck space rover.
And how it runs?
Hmm?
How it runs?
Like this. With this thing.
What's that? That's a remote?
A remote controller.
Can you show me how it runs?
See.
Wow.
And it can also run with your hand.
Hmm. That's fantastic. Can you come this side?
Hmm.
This side, this side.